The second way of creating a publication on Joomag is using a predesigned template. By the way, Joomag has more than 300 templates for different purposes and specialities. To create your publication from a template, open the needed collection and then click Create Publication button. Open the Create from Template tab, specify the number of pages of your publication, then you can check different categories. If you like the template, you can select it and preview. After checking all the pages, you can leave the template selected and either click More Options or Create Publication button. If you click More Options, you'll be able to specify the title of the publication, edition, description, keywords, as well as specify the secondary category. Also, make the publication downloadable as a PDF file, enable specific pages printing option, or mark it as adult content. If you want to specify the settings later, you can either click Back button and then click Create Publication button. Once the publication is created and you are ready to edit its content, click Edit Content button.